think I'm better at the 200, knowing that I'm a 400 runner. So are winding down properly in the 100. So I will just see how trials go.
And do you think you'll run some 400s as well?
Well, I ran 2 400 from season, so I think that's it. If I go to the championship and they want me to run a leg of 4x4, I'll definitely up for that too.
I mean, Fred Curley says that he will go to continue all three at the same time with the same training.
The thing is, I've been training for the 400 with the quarter milers, and I do enjoy it, Despite sprinting, I do still enjoy the 400 some of the times. But as I said, why not try all of them when you are so good at all of them?
And will you do the Commonwealth Games as well as the...
Definitely. Definitely that is on the table. But as I said, one championship at a time. The Jamaica Championship comes up with that, which I'll be running the 100 and the 200. So after that comes the World Championship. So one step at a time. Not rushing into anything, because you never might know what happened at any given championship.